Now I'm going to talk about academic integrity. You can see the agenda here. I'm going to start with number 4, XF, just so that you remember this. XF on your transcript is a terrible thing. If a professor has an XF on your transcript as a grade and you try to transfer to another university, it's very difficult. You can only appeal to remove it after 12 months, according to Gallaudet policy. If you agree and show that you're repenting about that activity, then you could have it removed from your transcript. But you can get an XF. Make sure you don't. This is an old screenshot of Blackboard. I know many professors are using Blackboard Ultra now. I will add another image of that, but I just wanted to show you something that teachers use called Safe Assign to check for plagiarism. And it can actually show me how much information you've plagiarized. You can see that here on the screen. Sorry, I was pointing to the wrong side. So 25% down here is high, so is 21%. So when I click on the green icon here, it will show me, and you have access to this as well, it will show me where you got the information from. Sometimes it gives you the information, not always, but sometimes it will show me where you copied the information from, and you can see where that information is online or another student's work. Make sure you do not copy another student's work. If you want help from another student, video chat with them, and then type it out yourself in your own words. Violations can be 3 things. It can be others, but I'm focusing on 3. Cheating, fabrication. Fabrication is taking someone else's good idea and pretending like it's your own when it's actually someone else's. You need to give credit where credit is due. That's fabrication. Then plagiarism is copy pasting word for word, something from a website, for example, without citing it. Here are some interesting statistics. This looked at 63,700 U.S. undergraduates and 9,250 graduate students. The survey was done back in 2005. What they found was, you can see 36% of undergraduates and 24% of graduate. So what it meant was that they paraphrased or copied exact information from the internet without citing it. So you have to practice citing. If there's a sentence that you like, that's fine. You just need to cite it, either paraphrasing it or quoting it. And again, you'll have more and more practice using APA and citing that way. Here's a screenshot of Gallaudet's academic integrity policy. There is a procedure to appeal, and there's a campus or academic integrity committee. When faculty has found that a student has cheated, they should sit down and talk to them. They can fail them on an assignment, have them redo it. They can get a reduced grade in the class. They might get a C instead of an A, for example. Again, this is at the professor's discretion. The faculty member can directly give an XF. I just explained about an XF and how difficult that is. There can also be a recommendation to the university that the student be suspended or expelled. And the faculty member must write a letter to the student, and the student has to wait about 5 days, and then a letter goes to the academic advisor, the program director, the department chair, and the academic dean. The student can write a letter in response and object and appeal or apologize and explain that they've learned their lesson, and they have up to 10 days to do that. The appeal goes to the department chair, and again, it has to be that 10 days. And then lastly, the committee, you can't have to follow this order as well. So the student letter has to be given to the chair, well, now the head of the program, then to the department chairs and unit heads, and then the appeal goes to the academic integrity committee. If you'd like to learn more about doing assignments appropriately, Gallaudet especially loves Purdue OWL. Actually, it's OWL Purdue. And if you click on this link, I'll show you that. This is really nice. And if you want to see a video in ASL covering APA, it's here. There's several videos. There's some cool online trainings as well that help you have a better understanding of how to use APA, and academic integrity. It's really nice. Once you've completed the training, you can use that certificate on your resume, and that's something that will look good for you.